Welcome to another quick update video. I have started working on the Tesla. As you can see, I have removed the bottom support. Check it out. As you can see right there, it was damaged. Also, this piece right here was damaged as well. Check it out, it is broke, but the rest of it is pretty much in perfect condition. Check those out right there. All right, so I took out the support. Here's the new one that I bought. But once I took it out, I realized that it does have some frame damage and it will need to be pulled. As you can see right here, it's bent inward, and right here. It is not too much damage, but it is off maybe by a quarter of an inch. So check it out. So my plan is right now, I didn't see this damage before, so that is my fault, but I took out the bottom support. So now I cannot drive the car to the shop to have this pulled and pretty much adjusted. So my plan right now is to put in the brand new support. I'm hoping it fits. That way I can put everything back together, put the wheels back on it, and take it to the shop to have this pulled so everything is even before we continue any further. So that is the update right now. Wish me luck. I will be putting in the bottom support right now, and if I get it in, I'll let you guys know in this video. If not, then I gotta put in the old one and then take it to the shop. So the bottom support is very easy to take out. There's two giant bolts right here, two over there, and then one or two on the front end as well. And that's it. There's literally 6 bolts holding this entire support in. Also, these right here, they're pretty much connect to the other piece. You have to loosen those up as well. Other than that, it is super easy to take out. I'm surprised. I thought this was going to be a lot more difficult, but it came out with ease. All right, so now I will try to put in this support back in there. If I get it, I will let you guys know. Also, don't forget, check out the links in the description box below if you want to help this channel out. Make sure you check out the insurance link. If you are paying too much for your car insurance, you might want to check out. And don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next update. Peace out.